Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. In this video I would like to share with you what is happening with us here and what is happening with this Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I really get overwhelming positive feedback from you. You seem to like the content and the way it goes. It's slowly growing, and this year it will definitely go over 100,000 subscribers. Many of you sent emails, many of you comment under the videos, many of you started calling me. Let me play something for you.
Hi there, this message is for Peter. Peter, my name is Noah Sanchez, so I don't want to take too much of your time, but I just wanted to tell you thank you for the fantastic material and videos you're putting out on YouTube about Toyota maintenance. I really love watching those. Thanks to your videos, it really taught me a lot of what I need to be looking for in buying a Tacoma, and thanks to that, I found a beautiful 04 Tacoma last month with 83,000 miles. If you saw it, I think you'd agree it's a cream puff. So thank you for all of the material you put out for that.
So that was example, one of those voicemails I get also from you, not just comments, but also voicemails. I really appreciate that. Obviously, that made my day when I listened to it, and I really appreciate it. And I didn't call back, I just wanted to actually use it in this footage. So thank you once again. Really appreciate it. And last week I worked for another subscriber who came from distance, I don't know, 2 hours. And he's from Toyota, he watches Toyota Maintenance, but he's also from the diesel Mercedes, and he brought his 2003 Sprinter, totally beautiful, tricked out inside for living, camping, I think camping. And he said, hey, what's up with you? You helped so many people. You helped me, you helped others, you constantly saving money to a lot of people. Why you don't have any form available for donations? And I said, well, I never felt like begging for the money, the subscribers and viewers, but we will definitely look into it. We will consider some company which could be taking care of that. If you have any suggestions, who is the best for that, with whom we should go, please leave it underneath the video. And maybe we should have bunch of these seats here, the chairs like in the movie theater. So if anybody from the subscribers will show up, and it's a bunch of them, they can watch me working right over there. Many of you commented recently because you saw my wife's gardening tool. She does a lot of planting, so she bought herself this utility Ford, but at the end she got a good deal on it. She will fix it up, use it a little bit, and then sell it later. Definitely, we are not turning Ford here. And just to give you idea how busy I am, this tool I got from Santa Claus in December gave me this Milwaukee extended ratchet. I have the normal one, 3/8, and he was so nice, he gave me this. I said, hey, I cannot just open it and start using it. I first need to film it for my subscribers. I need to share it with them. Well, it's April, it's still brand new. I completely forgot about it actually. And I really need to unbox it. We need to have a video and then share the difference between the short one and this extended version. Hopefully very soon. And it's getting dark and I'm trying to film this, but I'm losing light. And I just look on the clock and guess what? It's 8 15 and I'm still not done. I will stop filming, but I'm still not done. I still have to grab the used oil and go recycle it. And one of the changes we are implementing here at Toyota Maintenance actually happened, and it's not visible yet, so let's change that. We were in the past servicing Subarus, and it was basically favor to the people who own Toyotas and they also have Subarus, and they kind of begged us to work on it. Well, why was it mistake? Well, anytime I worked on Subaru for someone, it might be half day or all day, I was making money for repairs, but where was the content for the Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel? There was no chance to create anything for that. And because of that, at the end of the last year, we said, hey, let's just make a change, let's get rid of it. So this was hanging here for only one purpose, to film removing it. So let's go and take those down. No more Subarus in this shop. It will be solely Toyota repair. We made this decision in January. It's April, so you might think, hey, this guy's really slow. Everything takes him forever. Well, I'm alone here. I'm trying to run the shop and entertain you to run this YouTube channel. And every single day something happens and I don't find the time to get rid of these signs. So it's absolutely ridiculous, but this is my problem. There's only so much time in every day and I'm completely overwhelmed with all the interest I'm getting from you guys, all the comments on the channel. And this is not just some little stunt or something. We are serious about it, and we will be presenting and putting all the energy in Toyotas only. All of you also who keep watching this channel, you can see how this shop is small, so it's very limited. It will be hard to have work for the local customers who bring their vehicles and we film that on the go. It will be hard to have some project vehicle here because there will be a problem with the space. Also, to park anything outside, basically almost impossible because there's no fenced area where I could leave my vehicles, the project vehicles, and be sure that nothing happens to those. Some of you, I read the comments, were wondering what is upstairs. I wonder what is upstairs. And we will leave this mystery for different video. And I guess one of the last things I want to mention for this year 2021 is that we will be trying to get some sponsor for this channel, some serious one. I have some numbers, phone numbers to call, some people to contact. We might get a sponsor and that will completely change the whole thing. Obviously, the main goal is to get out of this small space, stop working every day for the normal customers and change it in the YouTube channel, which will be solely working on Toyotas only. Have a sponsor, we will have some giveaways and so on and so on. So we might be searching for a bigger place with the parking and so on in the future. And for those who want to drive here 2 days just to get some inspection or vehicle serviced on timing belt, performed at this moment, the way I'm booked here, and if you look in my calendar, it's over 1 month. I have appointments already scheduled. At this moment, I don't think it's a good idea that somebody will show up for a timing belt, and if something goes wrong, what we will do, where you will stay, and so on. So I'm sorry, but the way it is running right now, I don't think it's a good idea. But I really greatly appreciate your interest and trusting me and trying to give me that work. I really do. So I have a great hope that in some of the next videos we will do review on this product and we will move on, and this year will be way more productive than the last ones. I thank you all for being subscribed. I thank you for your views. We do greatly appreciate your comments and messages, emails and phone calls. We do. But as I said, I'm alone here and it's very hard to do it all in one day. So I appreciate your patience if I didn't call you back right away. Sorry for that, but I'm doing my best to please everybody. Once again, thank you for all the support and stay tuned. We will have a lot of content this year for you soon. See you later, my friend.